Scary game, maturity mild. Are you guys ready?
Yeah,
Are
sure,
you guys
sure.
ready to goon? I'm just joking.
Yo!
Hurry up. Just ready, you. I'm just joking.
Niger.
Nah. Shut up, you
You
black.
racist.
Shut up,
What?
you black.
Racist?
Oh, I have to pick a job site first. I forgot.
Yo, someone is racist here.
gonna spell
Okay.
bitch.
What? What in the hell? Nah, bro.
It's
Okay.
bitch.
Akin yung EMF reader, thermometer, spirit box. Di na siya yung video cameraman.
I'ma get the
Tsaka ikaw yung,
password.
wag si Dylan. Kasi kaya mo ba maghanap ng fingerprints?
Yeah.
Ikaw? Yeah. Yung black light, naghanap yun ng fingerprint. Ikaw, kunin mo yung flower pot. Saka yung book. Game mamaya na yung flower pot. Let's go. Let's go to... Uy, yung black light. Game mamaya naman. Wala pa naman monsters eh.
I have the black light.
Wait. Ito yung hiding spot natin. Here. Okay?
Oh, this ugly. This ugly hiding spot. Ugly.
Hanapin ko muna yung pesto na... Hanapin ko muna yung ghost room.
Yo.
I found cheats.
Ito, kunin mo yung, video cameraman. Maghanap ka ng ghost orb. Pang may nakita ka na orb. Mag-video ka. So, and this, and hanap ka ng ghost orb.
You guys.
I found some cheats.
Why are you guys talking in Philippines?
I don't know.
I found some
Some
cheats.
of... Oh, level 5. No, level 5 na. I'm hiding. Level 5 na. Level 5. I'm... Go to F... Uy, huwag niya ilak. Huwag niya...
Bro, what happened to that?
Bro!
Yo, Aswang!
Okay, ano, level 5. Pwede Aswang, Nightmare, Revenant, Shadow, Demon. Ayan yung pinakamalakas. EMF ano ka, ayan.
Yeah, I'm going for Aswang, bro.
No! Di pa natin alam. Wait lang. Naging level 1. Wait, baka lumabas siya. Pwede tayo magtago kahit nakabukas. Kasi bawal siya pumasok dito sa closet. Kahit nakabukas to yung door.
I don't give a
Okay,
shit.
nag-flicker. Kunin mo yung... Wait lang, tira ko yung thermometer.
Yo.
Dito yung ghost room eh.
Yo, guys.
Okay, level 5, level 5, level 5, level 5 here. I know, level 5. Oh no. Wait. Let me check the thermometer.
Guys, please speak in English.
I'm bro, Daphne, don't go far away. Go close to the closet so you can hide. Wait, I'm talking to the master. Shut up. Okay? It's not answering. Oh, wala na. Okay, nandito siya.
Where am I going, bro? Where am I going?
I don't know. I don't give a fuck where you're going.
Okay, hindi siya sumasagot. I don't know.
Oh, he's here.
Get the ghost book. I-drop mo yung ghost book. Wait lang, ghost book yan eh.
I don't give a shit.
I-drop mo dito. I-drop yung ghost book. I-drop mo dito. Come here, bro. Don't be a scaredy cat. I-drop mo. Yan. Baka ghost right. Baka mag-right. Wait, ready mo lang kayo sa closet. Kunin mo yung flower pot sa labas.
I'ma get the flower pot.
Wait.
Yan, put ka dyan ng camera. Yan, dapat maka-video siya. Yan.
I got the flower
Yo,
pot.
please speak in English.
I got the flower pot. What am I gonna do?
Oh, drop. No, you don't got the flower pot. Where's the flower pot? Did you drop it?
No, I didn't. It's in my... But I don't see it. Oh.
Drop it here.
Yeah.
Oh no, this is not the ghost room anymore.
Where's the flower pot? Oh.
Where's the laser projector? No.
You mean this guy?
Ugly shit.
Yes. Open that boy.
Biatch.
Makakahanap yan, ititrace niya yung ghost. I mean, let me speak in English, bro. he will chase the ghost.
I said bitch.
Okay.
And you guys actually stop joking
Turn off
around.
the lights. Turn off the lights first.
Okay.
Okay. Talking to the ghost. He's not answering, so wait a minute. Let me go to the closet first. Go to the freaking closet. Go to the freaking closet. You guys can't sprint. Dito mo na kayo. I'm just gonna ghost type. Let me see demon. Pwede siya maging demon kasi hindi siya spirit box. Ito evidence di ba hindi siya nagtatalk? It could be a demon, bro. Where if it's a demon, we're in danger. Let me check. Whoa! Why didn't you drop the freaking laser projector?
Where do I even drop it?
Here, because it needs to go through. Amara, yeah, just drop it there.
You guys actually are scaring me.
Hey, I said something. Get away. Pray.
I bet.
Or
Okay, he's not answering, so he could be mad. He's not even attacking. He could be a nightmare.
Jesus. Jesus. Jesus.
Look at nightmare. Harmless si nightmare.
dude, how do you see him?
Ghost types. Ito yung evidence natin. I know, AMF level 5, di ba?
How do you see how do you
What the freak?
how do you
What the frick? The freak is that? What the freak is that? What?
Bro, go to... Ano nakita mo?
Naglumipad yung mga gamit ko.
Wait, let's see.
Paano mo makita yung arma ng mga multo?
I caught it on camera.
How do you see the mukha of the multo?
I caught it
Go
on
to the
camera.
freaking ghost types.
I caught that in camera.
This is demon right now. He is dangerous.
I caught it on camera.
Go.
It's real.
I swear, if this jump scares me so bad, I'm gonna cry.
I know a Leviathan is a freaking
If
monster
if he's
from
gone, this is the fastest live I ever done. And I'm going to MM2.
I had it.
Leviathan actually in the ocean made by
He's not
God.
harm. He's not attacking us, so he's harmless.
Leviathan is
Oh, what is this plastic
is
bottle?
from the ocean made from God, and
No.
he's
What is that going
he's
there?
actually true, but no one
No.
can prove his
Go
trueness.
away. Go away.
He's actually so true. He's so terrifying. He's
Bro,
not
you're
like
not-
this.
You're not.
He's not like this, guys.
Shut up.
He's a dragon with no wings and no.
Raiden, tignan mo. Malakad to.
They have no hands and
Ano
feet.
lumalakad sa?
They don't have
Look at this bitch.
wings, but they're kind of like a
You see
dragon.
ghosts? Meron ka
So
Di ba?
like,
Di ba sa laser projector merong ghost creature lalabas? Ano 'yon?
Nakita ko, parang mayroon no.
ito it's the specter who's doing that. Look, they don't roam. More
No.
likely to throw items, dude.
He don't have a...
Bro.
Pang may laser projector. Ito yung laser projector. Ano siya? Natatamaan siya ng laser. So, ano siya? Makikita mo siya sa ghost. Ghost siya kasi. Ghost lahat yung mga monster. Di mo makikita. Kaso kung natamaan ng laser projector, ipapakita ng laser projector.
Dude, what the actual Oh, Oni.
It's not attacking, so it's nightmare. Press nightmare. Ghost orb and laser projector. I mean, not.
Okay, first nightmare.
Nightmare and spirit box. And let's go far away.
Phantom.
Nightmare?
No, what's
Yeah,
Phantom?
yeah, nightmare. Press nightmare. Press nightmare, you nigger, not demon, you nigger. Press go ghost orb and a freaking spirit box. Press nightmare, press this guy, press that guy. Now let's go far away. Bye, niggas. I'm just gonna leave you.
Why are we stuck?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys there. Bye. But let me see the camera first. Okay, I'm seeing the camera. There is no ghost orb. Oh my goodness. How to get out the camera? Okay. Let's go to the car. Press the car.
Yo, are we ready?
Yeah, we're going.
We're going.
Did we finish it?
I swear, if it's not a nightmare is harmless. I swear, if it's not it's
Bro, what the freak?
Phantom. Bro, ito journalist nyo, Phantom.
Man.
Blink slower. Bro, handprints.
Bro.
Oo nga, may pumunta ulit. May handprints yung Phantom. So you did not guys get the freaking black light? You dumb ass nigga. Hi. Wanna play again? But we're gonna use
The what?
we're gonna use this because this have a basement.
Hurry
And
up!
this is a mansion. This is a cafe.
You know what? Do cafe, bro.
This is the mansion. Look.
Ready up!
This is the mansion. Look. Bridgewood.
Hurry up!
Oh.
Wait, I'm
Okay.
peeking.
Neighbor.
Yo, I have one balance in my name. What the
This
actual freak?
nigger is dumb.
No, I quit. I'm going back to MMZ. See ya, guys.
You actually. Shit.
Record another video. Let's record another video.
Bro, I hate you.